Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious deviled eggs using an easy method. This timeless appetizer is a crowd pleaser, perfect for picnics, parties, or a simple snack. We will walk through each step, from perfectly boiling the eggs to creating a creamy, flavorful filling. You will learn how to achieve that smooth texture and balance of savory tastes, making your deviled eggs a guaranteed hit with everyone. The foundation of great deviled eggs is perfectly hard-boiled eggs. Begin by placing 6 large eggs in a saucepan and covering them with 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove the pan from the heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for exactly 12 minutes. This timing ensures firm, yellow yolks. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Now for the creamy, delicious filling. After peeling your cooled eggs, slice each one in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Use a fork to mash the yolks until they are completely smooth. Then, stir in 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Finish by adding 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, mixing until everything is well combined and fluffy. The final step is assembling and garnishing your beautiful deviled eggs. You can use a small spoon to fill each egg white half with the creamy yolk mixture, or for a more elegant presentation, pipe it in using a pastry bag. For a classic finish, sprinkle a dash of paprika over each egg. A few fresh chopped chives or a sprig of dill also add a wonderful touch. Arrange them on a platter and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.